In this video, I'll show you how to add friends to your private server on Roblox. So if you want to invite any of your friends to your private server on Roblox, then here's how you can actually do this process. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. What's not to add friends to your Roblox private server, just open up the Roblox application from your Android or iPhone. And from the Roblox homepage, go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for the game first. Go and tap on the game that you have the server and then scroll down from this page and then tap on server here. And you'll get to see I already have a server. So if you don't have any server, you can tap on create private server and you can create your server as well. I already make a dedicated video about it. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check the video out how to create a private server. And once you have created it, from the server, you just need to tap on this three dot line here and tap on configure. And once you're here inside the configure private server, you just need to scroll down, make sure the join allow is enabled. And also you'll get to see the friends allow should be enabled here. And once you have enabled that, go and tap on server member. You can tap on add people. You can go and search for the username that you want to add and go and tap on the person, and you just need to tap on add here and the people will be added to your private server. And this is how you actually can do this process. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.